Hello again, and welcome to the first week of the program. I hope that you are just as excited as I am to get started. At the beginning of every week, you can look forward to a video, like this one, from me or one of my colleagues. We'll give you a brief rundown of what you can expect to learn that week. This week, we'll explore how this program works. Then we'll cover the definition of UX design and why UX design is important for consumers and businesses. We'll also discuss the different roles within the field of UX, what makes a user experience good or poor, the responsibilities of entry-level UX designers, how UX designers work with cross-functional teams, differences in UX design jobs depending on company size and industry, and how to pursue a career in UX design. As you can tell, we have a lot of learning ahead of us. Let's get started.